welcome to my official summer 2025 Trader Joe's haul. I got a ton, as you can see. We were really like out of food, so it was time, and there's new summer stuff. I also pulled a few summer things that I had gotten in recent trips just to show you. New things, returning things, all that jazz. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up because there's a ton to cover, so let's just get into it. Starting off with produce as usual. You guys, if your Trader Joe's has these Heroes tomatoes on a vine, these are so good. You gotta pick them up. They're not organic, which is a downside, but they are so good. Like, I've been obsessed. I got some organic red bell peppers. Looks like my son took a bite out of that one. But I got these, and also the organic mini sweet peppers. I tried to go for a bag that has mostly orange and red, but most of them were just orange today, so I supplemented with some red, because red is my favorite, but I do like orange too. But yeah, we love to snack on them in various dips with cheese and crackers by themselves. It's just one of my favorite vegetables. I got some Honeycrisp apples as always. My husband and my son, they're like horses and they eat 40 apples a day, so we gotta keep stocked on these. I got some parsley. They have both kinds of parsleys now. My favorite kind is Italian flat leaf parsley. I do grow this, but I don't grow enough of it, okay, I should reframe that. Something's eating it, and so I don't have as much of it as my heart desires, because when I want parsley, I want to cover whatever I'm eating in parsley. It's like in my top 5 favorite foods. It's so good. So I always get a bag of this. I didn't get dill though for my tzatziki because I have it in the herb garden. An exciting summer purchase. I got the Saturn peaches, or some people call these donut peaches. These are really good. They're white on the inside, which are my favorite type of peaches. I got a couple lemons because we officially have used up all of our lemons on our homegrown trees, so we need to supplement. And then I got a couple limes as well, and I use these in everything. Mostly we've been having a lot of like taco or taco bowl nights, but like I use lime and lemon on so many things. We've been in a baked potato phase for like a year now, and I just always like to have some Idaho potatoes or russet. I don't know which ones these are. I like to have them on hand just in case we fancy a baked potato. Tonight we're making turkey burgers for dinner, which you'll see more about that later on. But since we're gonna be grilling them, I thought we'd throw some corn on the grill as well. So I got some fresh corn. Like I said, I'm gonna be making tzatziki, so I got a cucumber, but Milo also likes cucumbers. I like cucumbers added in salads, on sandwiches. I use about half for my tzatziki. I should make a short form real recipe video showing you how I make my tzatziki, but yeah, I only use half of this for the tzatziki, and then I use the other half for, like I said, sandwiches, snacks, salads. Something else we'll probably cut into for tonight is this yellow watermelon, because for literal months, I think since like February, we have this great book about how fruits come in different colors, and Milo loves it, and it shows a yellow watermelon in the book, and he's been asking since January, can we have a yellow watermelon? And I kept saying, in the summer, buddy, when I see one, I will get you one. They had them today. He picked this one out himself. He came to the store with me. And so we will have yellow watermelon this evening with our cookout as well. Which, if you've never tried a yellow watermelon, they pretty much taste the exact same. They're just yellow on the inside. I got a bunch, literally, of organic bananas, but they were still kind of green. But that's because I have a few of the Costco bananas I bought. We are also all out of berries. So I skipped on raspberries this week just to give it a break, but I got organic blackberries, organic blueberries, and organic strawberries. And again, I buy organic because I am trying to avoid the chemical glyphosate that's in Miracle-Gro. That is my main reason for going organic, especially with produce. So I know some people are annoyed by it, but try not to be. Riley picked up a little Mexican salad with chili lime chicken, yum, but for a little lunch. He also got the broccoli and cauliflower duets. Something I'm obsessed with, and I add this to as much as I can, they're organic shredded organic, it's a coleslaw mix is what it is. It's got green and purple cabbage, or red cabbage, and then carrots. I mostly make my lime crema slaw for taco bowls or taco night, which I am gonna do a recipe video on, I promise. But I add this to salads. I make a salad with this on its own with tomato. Like, I love this. And I think cabbage is like a superfood, so I'm just like, yeah. I also got some baby lettuce mix. We prefer the spring mix from Costco, but we're all out. And my new favorite meal for like lunch or dinner is like Caesar salad pasta salad. So it's a base of mostly this. I will throw in some of this, a little bit of like actual pasta, tomatoes, hella parsley, and then I will make some of the dino nuggets and cut them up really small and mix it all together, and it is amazing. And then your favorite Caesar dressing. That's been my like go-to lunch. So yeah, I just use this in whatever I can, and then I make salads pretty much on the side of every meal. Not every meal, every dinner at least. So had to have that. Also for tonight with our turkey burgers, for some reason with burgers, I like a Caesar salad. I don't know why, but I got my favorite organic Caesar salad. And then speaking of burgers, let's do the meat so I can get it back in the fridge. But I got 2 of the oven roasted turkey breasts for sandwiches and for Milo to snack on. Well, not snack, to eat. We've been obsessed with their chicken meatballs all year. I just make these with spaghetti. We love spaghetti night. Mostly, well, I love spaghetti night all the time, but like it's a meal that that I know Milo will eat, so it's nice, but he loves these meatballs and I just cook them in the air fryer. They're so easy and so good. And then a new release for summer are these teriyaki pineapple chicken meatballs. These are so good. I got a question on my Instagram asking how I use these. We make them as like the main dish. Our meal of choice has been this, some rice, and a big salad, and then whatever vegetable. Sometimes dinner rolls if we have them, but like these are the star. I actually should make like a teriyaki bowl with them. Ooh, why haven't I done that yet? But I am such a fan of pineapple teriyaki anything, and they got rid of their pineapple barbecue sauce, and I was so upset about it, but this is a little hint of that back, but these are so, so good. If you see them, try them. They're amazing. And then I've always wanted to try these, so we decided to have them tonight for our burger night, but there are these caramelized onion and bell pepper turkey patties. So I'm excited to try those. It comes with 4, they're already made. You just pop them on the grill. Hopefully they're delicious. I don't know if Milo will eat them, but we'll certainly try. Let me put all the meat back. We're gonna have to do a hell of a clean out of this fridge. It's not dirty, it's just like an unorganized mess. I also want to toot my own horn here if you've been following my salmonella OCD recovery journey. Basically, I got salmonella last September and it's been like a whole OCD contamination situation. Just touching that ground turkey raw meat is huge for me and I feel good about it, so we're good. Now for cheeses, I got some organic string cheese for my son and my husband. I am not a fan of string cheese. I never have been. Just for some reason, the like, I don't know, the stringiness of it just turns me off. It's not for me. But what is for me is this green goddess Gouda. I love this cheese. It usually comes in every summer, but my Trader Joe's never got it last summer. So when I saw it today, I nearly fell to my knees, and you bet your ass I'll be having a snack when I'm done filming. For some of the like dairy and dip stuff, I love the Caesar salad dip. This is like the most perfect snack right here. And I know it sounds weird, and there are chunks of lettuce and kale in here, but it's literally so good. Like, just trust me, you will love this if you like Caesar salad. It is the oddest dip, but it is amazing and I crave it every single day. I got some of their spreadable butter and I got some Greek yogurt, again, to make tzatziki, but I also use this in pretty much everything. I don't like mayonnaise or sour cream. I never have, and I love Greek yogurt. I love the tang of it, and so I add it to like my coleslaw recipe instead of mayonnaise, salad dressings. Milo loves it plain or like with a little bit of cinnamon on it, so we always have Greek yogurt on hand. I got organic milk and organic heavy whipping cream. We didn't used to always have this on hand, but I mostly am obsessed with making like pink sauce for pasta, and I need this for that recipe, but I find that when we have it, we use it in like mashed potatoes, just anything. Like if we have it, we use it up. So I've been buying it on the reg. A summer staple favorite is the cold pressed watermelon juice. This stuff is so delicious. Easy to make, but like if you're not in the mood to like juice a whole watermelon or make a smoothie out of one, this is easy to pick up and so good. I'm gonna put some more things in the fridge. Ooh, and the freezer. Let's do the freezer stuff. So I got vanilla ice cream. I prefer the like, I think it's Tillamook vanilla ice cream that you get at like Vons or whatever. But my sister said this one's really good and I wanted ice cream because last trip I went, I got this new hard top chocolate shell topping. So it just like, you put it over your ice cream and it turns into chocolate right away. Yum! So I think tonight after burgers we'll have a little ice cream dessert and I'm looking forward to that. And then the rest of the freezer is like breakfast stuff. We just like to have these on hand. We don't eat them often, but we just like, they come in clutch. We always do end up eating them. So these are the Eggwich breadless breakfast sandwiches. They're so good. They taste like McDonald's. You'd never know there's no bread. And then I actually got 2 packs of these mini pancakes because we're all obsessed with them. I was gonna blame Milo, but I love them just as much as Milo does. And then also all of us love the hash browns. These are incredible. I just make them in the air fryer. They fry up really easily. I've been really into having breakfast for lunch, and this, I can't have it without these. All right, let's get into some of this new strawberry stuff. If you haven't tried one of their mini sheet cakes, you have to. They're so good. We got the pumpkin one over the holidays. Their yellow cake with chocolate frosting is my very favorite because that's my favorite cake combination. The vanilla bean one is really good, but they have this new strawberry mini sheet cake, and you bet your ass I picked it up. Also, we got them last time. I didn't get them again because I got this, but the strawberry doodle cookies are life-changing. They're so unbelievably good. They have some gummies. I love these from last year. They're the bacon and egg shaped gummies. These just tasted really unique, and I think I saw that they taste like, it's supposed to be mango. The eggs taste like mango, and I love mango, but these are just like very interesting gummies. They're not your usual gummy bears. They're very good. And then Bradley wanted to try these, which I think are new. The Strawberry Fields gummy candy. They're strawberry gummies, but they're covered in like sugar. I don't think they're sour. But yeah, so we got some gummies. Trader Joe's always has good gummies. These are a yearly staple for us, at least in this house. The strawberry and vanilla flavored yogurt pretzels. They're tiny. They're so good, you guys. Like, I have a backstock, I'm not even gonna lie, because they only sell them in the summer months and we love them all year round. So I opened our pantry ketchup this week, so I like to have one in the back pantry, a restock item, if you will. But Milo loves ketchup, or dip, as he calls it. He calls a lot of things dip. He calls it tzatziki dip, ketchup dip, syrup dip. Anything liquidy that he's dipping in is dip. We needed a restock of the buttermilk pancake mix. You guys, this stuff is really good. Bradley has perfected making waffles in our waffle maker, and he just uses this, and it's really good. You can make a bunch of stuff out of it. They have recipes right here for focaccia bread, lemon and blueberry scones, biscuits, pancakes, waffles. Like, this is just good to have on hand. Some household items, because we're still trying to boycott Target. It's so hard, but we do like their dish soap. I like this dish soap. It just has fragrance in it, so I don't buy it as often. But we got the citrus dish soap, and then we got the grapefruit hand soap. This stuff smells really, really good. We're using it in like Milo's bathroom right now. It smells incredible. For some toiletries, Bradley's been enjoying this Refresh citrus body wash. I enjoy this too. It says it smells like orange blossoms and grapefruit. And then, if you haven't seen, the cream shave is back. The honey mango cream shave is officially back. It got a new bottle. From what I can tell, I've been using it on the reg. It is the same formula, just got an upgrade of the bottle, but yeah, I've been stocking up on this in case it ever decides to leave me again. I've learned this is something I can't live without. I just didn't shave for months. That's not true. I just used conditioner because I didn't know what else to use. These I picked up last time, but I did just want to tell you about them. The new watermelon lip mask is so good. I did a short video on it. I can link it up in the corner if you want like a first impressions review, but I am loving this. It has a little bit of a tint to it, but not too much. It makes your lips look nice and glossy and just hydrated. I love it. And then this is a definite fave, the watermelon overnight face mask. I love this. I'm so happy it's back. I don't use it overnight. I just put it on for like 15-20 minutes then take it off, but it's so good and so moisturizing. So wanted to tell you about those. And I'm so excited about this, but this Glow Anywhere sun care set comes with a shimmer oil sunscreen, a shimmer sunscreen stick, and then an after sun serum. Cannot wait to try. Well, maybe we'll try in a vlog. All right, for Milo's snacks, I got the organic mini cheese crackers, the organic mini peanut butter crackers. We usually also get the cheddar rockets, but we didn't need any today, so. But those are like that's what he lives off of, those three things. He also lives off of these pouches, but he's been preferring the Go-Go Squeeze ones from Costco right now, so he hasn't been asking for orange as much. He calls these ones orange, but I didn't want to be without them, so I got just 2 packs. The apple mango, these are delicious also. Even if you don't have a kid, these are so good. I was having these before I had kids. Another cracker which I have been loving, which I'm going to eat. This is good with the Caesar dip. It's good with the Gouda cheese. So I'm just gonna make myself a snack plate. This, some peppers, some dip, some cheese. Oh my God. But these are like a Ritz knockoff. They taste the exact same. They're delicious. More chips. Looks like my son already got into these. The organic corn chip dippers. And then these are really good. They're cooked in olive oil, but just for like summer sandwiches. But they're just like a better option if you're trying to avoid like seed oils. These are fried in just olive oil. The ingredients are just potatoes, olive oil, and sea salt, and they're really good. They're like, I was gonna say they taste like kettle cooked, but it says right up there that they are kettle cooked. Also not a Trader Joe's haul without Bradley's peanut butter pretzels, and now Milo's. Milo loves them too. This is my new obsession, but the rolled corn tortilla chips with chili and lime. These are spicy, and I'm just now getting into the spice life. Like, I feel like it's my old age. I never cared for spice, I never cared for sour, but now I find myself craving them or like being more into them than I was. These are delicious. They make my face sweat, but they're so good. And fun fact, this is the most popular item at Trader Joe's for the last 3 years in a row, which I thought was interesting. And I see why now. They're good. They're like addicting, but I love lime, so I knew I would like these. I just was afraid that like the chili would be too much, but it's just enough for me. So, and I'm a baby about spice, so you might like them. I don't know, just wanted to say these are my new obsession. I just finished a bag and I got another one. And then last for chips, we got the organic white corn tortilla chips because we were out, and then we also got their chunky salsa. This is the fat-free one. I don't care about that. This one doesn't have any cilantro in it, which I care deeply about that. So this is a lovely snack as well. Or you can make poverty nachos and dip, so good. Ooh, also for snacking, I got some teriyaki beef jerky. This stuff is so good. You have to eat it quickly from opening it. That's a thing from like my salmonella contamination OCD that hit. Like, there are so many rules on all these food packages that I never knew. You have to consume this within 3 days of opening. Who knew? Not me, but now I know. Bradley likes this organic Joe medium roast ground coffee. We always get him this, and then we did get some eggs. This is empty. I already put the eggs in the thing in the fridge, but we like the pasture raised eggs from Trader Joe's, or the pasture-raised ones from Costco are good too. And then lastly, we just have some breads. These are incredible. Try these on the side of any dinner. They taste amazing. Just dinner rolls. They're soft pull-apart rolls. You get 8 of them in here. You just have to trust me. They're life-changing. And then for the summer, they've come out with pretzel buns and potato buns. We tried them both, and I like them both, but for the turkey burger, I felt like potato buns were the move. You also get 8 potato buns. You only get 4 pretzel buns, so, but we'll, yeah, use some of these tonight, freeze the rest, or have another burger night, but these are delicious. If you don't know, Shake Shack uses potato buns, and it definitely gives those vibes. And then we also just got the organic white bread, mostly for PB&J's for Milo, but I'll have turkey sandwiches on them. We'll make French toast out of it. And I will take this and freeze half of it so that we use half this week, and then we'll have another half loaf in the freezer. And so we're only buying like every other week, which has been working out well for us. We do that with a lot of breads. I have a lot of bagels in the freezer. I'm just trying to, you know, stretch our food, stretch our bucks. So that is what I've been doing, and it's been working out great. But yeah. Oh, I also bought myself some sunflowers that are back there because it's just summer. It's the time for sunflowers. We haven't made it to the farmer's market yet, and none of my sunflowers are ready yet. So I treated myself to something. But okay, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want more grocery hauls like this, I have a whole playlist I can link up in the corner. Most of them are Trader Joe's, but there is some like Costco, Sprouts, random other things in there too. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I'll have my face somewhere you can subscribe, or some videos that you might enjoy if you want to click on and watch later. But I love you. I'll see you in the next one, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.